Welcome to our channel Dr. Mararji. My dears, I am presenting before you the names of 9 notable personalities born in the star Ashwadi Beta Araris. First Indian freedom fighter Jhansi Rani, previous Indian President Dr. Zakir Hussain, previous Indian Prime Minister I.K. Gujaral, previous cabinet ministers L.K. Advani, Arjun Singh, Maneka Gandhi, Tamil film actor Shivaji Ganeshan, in sports Sania Mirza, non-Hollywood actress and singer Selena Gomez. All these personalities adorn the qualities of this star Ashwadi Beta Araris. Thank you.